Yes, the NPA has decided not to enroll the case based on the fact that they have advised us to go and acquire the expert statement. So what we'll do now, we've got the details of the suspect that we had, and we would get that particular statement. As soon as we've got the statement, then we'll bring the docket back to court.
What does this mean? Does it mean that now the person who has been arrested is going to be released today?
Yes, as for now, we have released that particular person. Like I've indicated, we've got the details of where we stays, and it wouldn't be a problem for us as soon as we've got that particular information that we have been instructed to get to bring him back to court. That will be done within a short period of time.
So is there not enough evidence to continue the process?
Look, we need to get as much information as required. Then, as an advice that we got, or an instruction that we got from the NPA, we need to comply with it. Then we're definitely sure that as soon as we get that information, then we'll continue with the whole process.
Okay, if you can just take us step by step, what led you to make this particular arrest?
Look, the suspect was linked through the cell phone of the deceased and the laptop of the deceased. Now that in itself tells you that it means he was to a certain extent involved, because the phones or the number was utilized immediately after the death of Miss Gardee, which means that to a certain extent he is knowledgeable about the incident. He might know as to where did he get those particular gadgets from.
The phone was used where, by who?
The phone was used by the very same person that we brought him in today. But then, like you have indicated, we are requested to get the expert statement, and then the expert will be able to elaborate more in terms of what happens when a situation of those particular or of that particular nature happens.
Where is the phone? Where is the laptop? Are you in possession of any of those things?
Currently, we are not in possession of those particular items.
So I'm so confused, Brigadier. How then did you link the suspect? How did you know that he was using the phone? Was it through a SIM card, placing another phone to the number? How?
Okay, let me put it in this way. That won't divulge much in terms of the details of the investigation, because now it might assist some people in terms of hiding more information. Now, obviously, we've got some of the equipments that we are utilizing in terms of tracking the phones and tracking the number, whether the number is being utilized or not. So that generally tells you that we have a knowledge that that particular phone was utilized, and that also assisted in terms of identifying the person who has been utilizing that particular phone. So in a nutshell, that's what assisted us to link this particular person with this particular case.
Has this information been delivered to the Gardee family?
Well, look, the information that we have, we don't have to deliver it to the family. What we have is for us to deal with NPA. What we have as the police will do our investigation and will take the docket to court. But in terms of the briefing, obviously, the IO at the later stage, when it's convenient, he will be able to deliver the message to the family. But as for now, we just come from the court, and then this is the advice that we just got.
All right, the Brigadier there giving an update on the Hillary Gardee murder.